to my channel. Today I am so excited to open my first ever Misfits Market box. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys, show you what it's like inside. I'm so excited for Misfits Markets because they are so sustainable. Basically, if you didn't know, a lot of the produce in the United States does not get approved to get sold in grocery stores, whether it's too big, too small, has some superficial imperfections. So Misfits Market steps in, they get that produce directly from farmers and they're able to sell it directly to consumers for a cheaper price. All their produce is organic. I'm so excited. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just really excited to try this product. This really helps the environment because it reduces any food waste, not any, there's still some I'm sure, but it reduces a lot of food waste from produce, which breaks down into a lot of chemicals and gases in the dumps and in landfills. So I'm really excited to try this, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you've been thinking about trying out this service, I hope that this video helps you. I'm so excited to see what's inside. I have not opened it at all yet. It's completely sealed. Literally all I changed was I took off our label that has our address on it. Otherwise the box, this is completely how it is when you purchase it. I bought the smaller box. There's two different boxes. You can get smaller box for $22 or the larger box I think is $32. I just live with myself and my husband, so there was no reason to get the larger box, and we are on a subscription for every 2 weeks I think. So the produce will be delivered every 2 weeks. You can cancel your subscription at any time, so I just signed up for the subscription, see how we like it, and then we'll decide from there. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's see what's inside the box and see how much I got for $22. Oh, also shipping is $5, so it's total of $27, and I got a discount code from Instagram. This is a hack. If you were ever wanting to try a product and you don't have a discount code, go on Instagram, look up hashtags and type in whatever product it is, partner, and you'll usually find an influencer with a discount code. That's what I did for this. I got $10 off, so I paid $17 with shipping for this box. Okay, let's open it up. So of course it says Misfits Market here, and on the side it says always affordable, occasionally funny looking, and this one says always delicious, sometimes normal. And then the back is just the same, the Misfits Market box. So let's open it up and see what we got. It does have plastic tape. Of course, everybody in the sustainable community knows that we're trying to switch to paper tape, so that's a little downside, but not a big deal considering all the good that they're doing with this company. So let's open her up. They also pack this right at the peak of its freshness, so that way if it takes a couple days to get to you, it still should be fresh. This box was packed on Friday and it is now Monday. Yeah, it's been a couple days that it's been in the mail, but they say that they have ice packs and stuff in here to keep everything fresh. Okay, here's what it looks like when you open it up. It says eat delicious, eat Misfits, and then it says share the deliciousness at Misfits Market. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, so this is kind of like a refrigerated pack. This packaging right here. Ooh, we got a little discount. So this is for the Misfits Market shop, which is normal stuff pantry supplies, milk, things like that, which you can also get in your box. I haven't tried anything yet. I just have fruits and veggies in here. Okay, so it looks like this is refrigerated. Then we have a little ice pack, which is still freezing cold, even though this was literally packed on Friday, like I said. And it says it's a sink and garden safe gel pack, so that's kind of cool. Oh my God. There are so many veggies in here. Let me show you a little sneak preview. Oh my gosh. Look at all of that. All of those veggies. Okay, let's see what we got. So first off, we've got some beefsteak tomatoes. I got these because sometimes we like to do mozzarella, tomato, and basil. If you do use Misfits Market, it's best to pick your fruits and veggies as early as possible because some things do sell out. Oh, look at our little tomatoes. So we got some tomatoes. I got a spaghetti squash so we can make some low carb spaghetti. I got a cucumber, which I can already tell this probably was not allowed to go to the grocery store because it was too big, which how ridiculous that food can't go to the grocery store because it's too big. We've got a mango, a bunch of apples, 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. We've got some broccoli, a lot of broccoli actually. This will probably last us 2 meals. We've got eggplant, 3 pears. We've got an onion. We've got, Nala's interested. We've got 3 oranges. We've got celery, and we've got 2 potatoes. Voila! So this is everything for our Misfits Markets box, which is quite a bit of stuff. I'm gonna do the math tonight and see if it really is cheaper. I think the biggest thing is it is all organic, because Blake and I don't really buy a ton of organic fruits and veggies, so it might not be like as cheap as like regular fruits and veggies, but it is organic, so that's pretty cool. Hello everyone, it's Marissa from the future here, just editing this video, and I wanted to say 100% that the box was worth it. I went ahead and did some calculations, and it ended up being quite a bit cheaper to get the Misfits Market box than in Publix. I think when you're at Publix, you know, you're just getting all the fruits and veggies and putting them in your basket. You're not thinking about the price, but I did the math, so I wanted to tell you guys. So of course this is going to vary by your state and what store that you pick. If you probably picked Whole Foods, it's probably going to be a little bit more expensive, and this is the price of regular produce, not organic produce, which Misfits Market is all organic. So what I calculated was the beefsteak tomatoes would have cost $3.32, spaghetti squash approximately $6, cucumber $1.83, mango $1.11, 4 apples would have been $2.75, broccoli $3.87, eggplant approximately, I couldn't know for sure because I didn't know the weight, but it's close to $10. 3 pears is $1.87, an onion is $1.59, 3 oranges is $2, celery is $3.29, and 2 potatoes is $1.10, which brings the total all the way up to $40 and some change. So it's definitely cheaper to do the Misfits Markets, which is $27 with shipping included. And of course, if you have a larger family, you can do a bigger box for a little bit more money, but I definitely have been loving it, guys, and the produce is literally so fresh. I took a bite of a pear and it was the juiciest and most pear tasting pear I've ever tasted before, and I'm loving it. So I just wanted to interject real quick. Voila! So cool! I'm so excited to try this produce. It looks delicious. None of it looks crazy. Like there's like a couple brown marks. That's really it. So I think that's all totally fine. They obviously wouldn't send you anything that's not edible, but I'm really excited to try this out. I'm curious, maybe next time I'll get the bigger box and see like what it looks like, because they say the bigger box, you get more choices of produce and you also get more servings of that produce. So like for these, I have 1 serving of pretty much everything besides the pear, apples, potatoes, oranges, tomatoes, and broccoli. That all has like a little bit more. 3 oranges, 2 potatoes, 2 tomatoes, 4 apples, 3 pears, and like a bunch of broccoli. So I guess it just depends on what you're looking for, how many people you're feeding in your home, but I cannot wait. I'm so excited to be supporting this company and supporting sustainability. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed, and I will see you very soon with another one. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and let me know if you tried Misfits Markets as well and what your experience was like. Bye, guys. So cool to get all of your veggies just delivered.